It's 4:26, time for an epic bike ride.
To help me safe from a rolling sea.
Epic.
Bike ride.
Woohoo! Man, you brought the freaking Orbea. Nice.
I had to bring it today.
Did you change helmets again?
Yeah. But today, with extreme EBR, we need to have a bit more ventilation.
You ready to roll?
Yeah, let's mount up.
All right, let's hit it. Oh, gotta turn on the Garmin.
Cue the music.
Cue the music. Yeah, you gotta walk it. You can try riding, it's just gonna waste your energy. I like this trip over here. This is fun. Very good. I wonder what the going rate is here. It's got to be. It was really soft. I was kind of going down sideways a little bit. Woo! Nicely done, Dean. True EBR style, sir. Oh. Oh, there it is. Now we can get in some really good alley diving back here, some crawl, if you will. We'll take a right here. Gotta watch out for things like that. There might be. Wild rooster. Morning. So here we are again on the EBR, joined again today by Delta Bravo. There's Dean right there, and he's right behind the I love Bahrain. I love Bahrain sign. We're just off the corner of Shawarma Alley, the north end of Adelia, and it's a pretty picturesque little spot. This is like a little restaurant district. These guys, they look pretty happy to be in the boat. That one's getting ready to drop the baby over the side. It's very pedestrian friendly, and there's art to look at, and there's places to sit. This place is packed at night. This place is just absolute mayhem at night. There's no place to park, and people going in and out of restaurants. Oh yeah. That was fun. So, another one. Almost fell right then. All right, doing some good alley crawling today. Went over to Death Valley, hit the souk, hit some of the high points. Rode around the Four Seasons. Never did that before. That was pretty cool. Came down through, did some alley crawling, and then decided to hit this. We found the I love Bahrain sign. You know, that's a cool spot to take a picture. Decided to take a picture and have an EBR snack. 3 cans in less than a minute. All right, so we're gonna get back on the bikes and see where the rest of the EBR takes us. More to follow. Yeah, let's head that way.
Not me.
You all right? Good morning.
Police, leave me alone.
We came down through here in the dark, early in the morning, without getting smacked by the tree. Whoa! Got some Sprite or something splashed up on me. Whoa! I'd like to wash it off.
A lot anyway.
Definitely 17 miles.
A lot of sightseeing.
Oh, it was awesome.
I like that side of the...
You just never know what you're going to find. You got to be equipped for every surface. All right, man. I'll catch you.
Yeah, it's good. I really enjoyed it this morning. It was good, thanks. I look forward to the video.
Yeah. As always, take it easy, Dean. EBR.
Thanks for picking up my broken teeth. I spit them out 'cause I can't swallow anything. Mouth mouthwash is pumping through my veins, just to help me get me on my feet and clean again. Coming straight out of your mouth and into the ground. Coming straight out of your mouth and into the ground. Taste the flavor, I'll be taking pains to do the things I gotta do to be the same. I don't feel the way I think I seem. Maybe I can work it out in surgery. Coming straight out of your mouth